Nuano me wo asambi kakakra. Nioma bi ekokoso wo Ghana ha ase sebe yini odo ema ye ho. Ede asem ene ekoso. Obi be se di asem na aba ye hina ye nim. Se coronavirus ya be stroke COVID-19 edi ewiase hina ehwambo. Na ebinumo ayo madwe se omo befa we hu enye sika enye nge yina anya ye pesa sayare we ebetu ahye yeso na sebe se wakodwom wo kwa akoto ade na wahwe wo nuanim ade ye 5 cedis 6 cedis na wo de age ne 250 meka na meka gari meka na meka moko meka na meka nyadoa sa wo be kodwom wo kwa akoto nyadoa ya hye nyadoa e wade ketua bi mu na omo de aba se 40 Ghana onua inti ye do ye hunie yenso kro ya sori a edu kwasia da ne yakotena sori dem ye nama ni ye tie preaching ase chese there is nothing at stake ni awo ye se wo say one day owura ne beba yare enye se eye de hwe ni omampanyin e bo ne homodin Nyame me koso ada despite ase wate nyame enhira one ne brother efi mesa da honorable Tinana Yele Mensa wakototo sa Veronica bucket CB atoto kit ni akeka ho ache amane mpeso aso mama baby awo bia me se nyame enhira o one ne MCE your friend Honorable Patrick Kumu. Just one more bomber to toss on your way, you know, who said no more persuaso ebe yas idea way. Make it MPs in the be so no. A big hokrana and do krum, and so almost a bomber day out to toss on your many be to prevent it, which is very good. Reverend Buffalo, Mediana may train, say, also the woody abekwa, Nampa. Nyame adomenra mete se ukopie mu wo Tema General Hospital a wusu tumi donate ye edemom nyame enhira Reverend Obofo efi Honorable Kennedy Japan nyame entu nkwan na mu ma wate ye dam ase se ampa mo hwo se ampa oman no edam akoma so nyame enhira obi bia nkrankra bia wo hye baabi a oye onu mpo de ompese ye bebo ne din na fi me ko akoka koso aka asafofo na mo agege collections sa this is the time mo sorry ma any di most asofo no ebinom wo hono ma church members ni bi wo hono ma na they can afford it ebinom so wo hono ma they cannot this is the time as a pastor as a bishop as a leader in the church amu hina unkrofo etu collection emamo this is the time I say omo na wo tumi hu say omo akoton aswata wo kwan ho na omo nya bi ento aduane ni set people no and I say asori impanyfo no mo sori atoto aduane say mumpo na mo to ade ebe from say obia emra no magea nyame ebe hira mo na say yes me ye nko asori nti no na what san atoa no say onfa sabe ne momo one mam ne momo number say onko ye collection enguso eno de ye mean dispute that by the end of the day no nipa na ohia ni na wa asori ni mu na onni bi no mesra mo a momo de eno ne hu so sofo bako wasoa ni oma 5 ovens are all distributor members and then the members on no as outsiders no so one more movie, which is very good. Leaders are more man team. This is the time omo ni bi no ehiamo. Yes, you are lucky you're down. We shouldn't go out. Those people no cannot go out there to sell. When obi na woni msa akura we wankwa woni di obi wo ho okutama 5 obi wo okutama 6 as a single mother Cheso wakoton pure water ansana wenye bi ato aduane amankwara no. Mesra mo wo bia wo sika wo mantem ho no no. A wonim se wo betuni afford wo betuni aboa sankrofo no bomodin a but still no me wo asofofo no so. Pastor Richard baby awo bia me chia papa. Pastor Richard Anoche Accord International Ministries. Nyami Enshirao. Reverend Bonso Nyami Enshirao. Reverend Lord Ochre Nyami Enshirao. Reverend Kumsi Nyami Enshirao. Reverend Mensa Kofi Mensa also Nyami Enshirao. Efi asofofo na mo Ghana hanso no. A mo boa se mo di mo paibo ete kire se yare ebe pare ye wo krom hanso no. Nyami enhira mo hina. Na yesra mo fi se mo de sa yare we ebe nya sika no. Let me tell you something. You will rob Peter by the end of the day you will pay Paul. Sika no beji o na obekwa ko ende our hospital. Wo so kwa ye de beji o. Ya watema ema ye ho. Ya watema ema ye ho anan. Menyindi say ya watema. Wo hwe woni anim Airton Garden X amano. Airton Garden X amano 40 Ghana. 1 year we say Garden X back 2 cities. I mean what sort of life is this? Ghanaians Ade. Asamwe di edi ka mesramu. Se na mo pese mo fa sa yare ho anya sika no entumi enye yie. Wonye sika. Because se na wo fi sa yare no, wonim sa yare ne betumi apie wo bobo ano. E betumi apie wo wapopo ano. Enti you need to be very careful. Sika bia wo ji wo bia wo fi se, obi wo ho no kra owo up stock wo ho. By the end of the day, no, because yes, you are to no so the Nediafra. Yes, ye be triamam. Ye be a triamam. But bear in mind, says the Kana Wajeno, and Gosiaga. O dear, in kind baby, I will be a michia what in Yami Shirao. And no, it is a war bomb with cheaper. No, it is a war bomb with cheap. Yes, Ramo, Yali way abe. O baby, I was so tear me and Rame Quaco to abe. Abeno suna ya kasa ya cover ya no mame na abeno suna na wa bongo so wa yede yegu abeno so yes labo me ko mala market no na it thought say me buckets ni bi wo hono there wasn't any bucket there me feel say me hu sa Veronica bucket ni bi Queen Mother no mo de da sa your friend is a market na no we should insist to see those things in the market. Some maybe kwa koto adiempo before some free market no na ma okro mensa enya sanitizer bia family sa ho mesramo momo dia some be to sa nyoma ni bi asisi ho no mo asofu bebre ne wo ha edifo bebre ne wo ha Ebenezer metese na wo ka it is not well with your soul. Yes, because Ebenezer, Reverend Ebenezer, Obofo ba kope, me bupa me jiwudi pa me jiwosuma usumnidi. Na mama esa hu se, abosomfo fie no, why na ko. Wo so obi ko ho wi an ho ko ho. E na ho so wo ko ba they go there one after the other. Yam pale e wo hot say sorry say na be ya, sorry no, te say wa sorry say obi hu se na nkofo be bi ejina ho no mo. It place you should come again. Said now to your friend is saying, Abusufuo mu. Yenya sa Reverend. Yenya sa. Yes, Ramo. Yes, obedience is better than sacrifice. Mama ye hina shishaya o mampenyi edi abano. Mesra mo say ye hina mo ba mi edi shishaya no so. Wo ye hina ye mu nti no mampenyi no. Office ono ni abana ye ne de, enya ne de. Enya ne de at all. Enya ne de. Market women now, you will have the money, but the money won't go anywhere. You will still be in square one. Myself, scanner won't cafe, Munjai. Yan two petrol muna wakacha me sabe ya oko fa no no ya tu ni omamu wo ho no. Yan two days muna wakacha me sabe ya oko fa ni oma no ya tutu mu wo ho no. Yesra mo. Yesra mo yenye hina ne ebetumi afodo nioma na mo atutu mu no. Mama yenwe nuanom ho. Mama yenwe nuanom ho. Opinion leaders, footballers, yesra mo se no mahu se nana. Wakama to bia opesa wo donate bia no. Omo bie fan se obia emfa ni ode beba emra. Iti mesra wo. Bomo dia ketu akra wo de ebe kono nyame ebe hira wo. Reverend Bofo, why ya dear Emana Yame dedodo? Mema was sorry, but many do wachi pa. Many do wachi. Nyami shirao, and now Yanoname was a tamahobi. As so many pa, as so many pa. So wow. Now me can say, eh, it's above for a soft for na kuku down for no omo wanyana. Moi ya dia shada ye, moi ye, what ye amana ye fe. Obi ni mente wonka, Reverend Beneza mente wonka. Moi na mumra na mu mechese na be ya hia for no omo benya bibi ade ato aduane adi. Sese bebre, ana egu awofie. Bebre na awofie omo twen. Omo twen sese yese mo mu mpie mo mu nkoton ade. Into this the time mo be lodu egu bas mu. Wodu ano afre, opa afre no obeba abeje, nyame ebe hira. Madam say, subscribe to my channel, no what Ajuba One TV. ADL, small letters. ADJOBA. No watch your single one my space, no watch your TV. Oko YouTuber, me videos, YouTube. But what did not subscribe? Now, you on your dot. John 3:16 also for God so loved the world. That is why he gave his only begotten son. That whosoever believeth in him, he will not perish but have everlasting life. So as we all believe in Jesus, we should love ourselves because he loved us first. That's why he came to die for us. So if Jesus loves us now, we should also do to others. Thank you very much, Manuato.